a foreigner like me don't really understand. So maybe there's a second meaning that I'm not aware of. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, you're welcome to comment down below on my channel. Whoa, this car, damn. So here's a shop. I think it's called Moto Team. In Chinese, called Sanko. So, is anybody in Taipei that want to rent a motorcycle? There you go. You can go check them out. They're pretty friendly. Last time I went to visit, there was, I would say, a teenager that rented a motorcycle from Mosquito, and you can tell he was a beginner rider, and he didn't really know what he was doing. And I kind of felt that, you know, as a person that does business, you know, you gotta have some kind of morals, you know. And the kid didn't really know how to change gears or handle a bike that heavy, even though it was like a white plate. And when he first started, you know, he put a little too much throttle and the front wheel came up, and you're like, yo man, that kid, he's gonna hurt himself, especially in this kind of environment. And I couldn't believe that, you know, Mosquito would just rent to this kid, but she did. So maybe that's why her name is Mosquito. She cares more about renting out motorcycles than other people's well-being. But I mean, if you know how to ride, go for it, you know. But if you're just starting off, at least take a class, you know, take a safety class, and not be a dumbass and just, you know, ride and assume you know what you're doing, because assuming is always a bad thing. Just don't want to assume. The end result usually end up being bad. Okay, I gotta make a turn here, but you know what, I'm just gonna take advantage and just use this. I know I'm not supposed to, but I think it's probably better than being hit. Green lights over there, but here is still red. What is this car doing? Come on, people. shit. God damn. That was kind of scary.